Hey guys, so today I have a squishy collection video. And before I do this, I wanted to show you my Christmas tree. So I'm going to turn off the lights. It's so pretty. Alright, so, oh, by the way, this isn't, well, it's not my Christmas tree. It's ours. So, I'm going to be doing a squishy collection. I already said that. So, yeah. One of my squishies, I do not know where it is. Like, yeah. I think I might have left it at school because I use it as a stress ball, but yeah. So first, I have this sesame bun, and it's really nicely textured, and and it's a hot bun, and I did not know it had defects. I guess it has defects, but I don't really care about that. Yeah, defects right there, but it's really squishy, but it comes up fast. But on the back, it doesn't really, well, yeah, and it has like, yeah. And then I have this Hello Kitty donut, and it's really small, and it's really hard, but I just recently, like, put scribbles on it, so, and it looks like that, like it's drizzled, like it's melting, and I thought that's so cute. And it's like, yeah, it's not that squishy. Then I have this jumbo fruit donut. And the defects are, oh, and on the Hello Kitty donut, there's no defects. So the defects are in the middle, it's like ripping. And there's a hole right near the eye pin. And I don't, also the thing isn't on, but I don't care because I never use that. And it has a crack right there. But this is like, yeah, okay, never mind. That was stupid. So then I have these two squishies, these two, but I'm going to take them out because a lot of people don't like the crinkling noise. So I have this Pretty Eyes toast, and it's so Pretty Eyes toast, sorry. It's really, it's hard, but it's like really small. And I don't think there's any, like the face is, it's not ripping, but it's just, like it looks faded when it, there's not really any other defects on the bottom. Right there. And then this, oh my gosh, this one's so squishy. But I'm so excited, I'm getting squishies on Monday. So then I have this turtle bun, and it looks like a melon bun to me. I'm going to call it a turtle melon bun, okay? And it is so squishy. And the head's really squishy. And so are the legs. Sorry for the background music. My mom is watching TV. Well, you can't really hear, but sort of. Sorry, this will take a minute because I wrapped, spent so much time wrapping. So a really good honey toast, I made this, like a really good honey toast. Really cute. Christmas music. I'm gonna, so this pig bun, here, and I traded with someone. I had a mini bun, but I traded with my friend because I really like this one. And then I have this Santa Sentimental Circus bunny, and I got the light pink with dots. Oh my gosh, it's really hard though. It's kind of like a stress ball. That's pretty much what it is. Yeah. And then I got all of this too. So there's Hello Kitty macaroon. I'll take it out, I guess. Great, the package just package. Oh, and it has a stretchy strap. All the other ones don't. And it's so soft. If you go like this, it's so soft. But it's kind of weird because it has like, it gets bigger. This. So, and there's air bubbles. And I don't know if there's any defects. But yeah. Oh, and in the Sentimental Circus, there's kind of a rip right here. And also right here. You can't see it. It's not. Yeah, I have a really bad camera. I'm sorry about that. And then I have this. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This. Sorry, I'm really bad at video making. I look terrible. I'm really sorry about that too. And then this waffle that has powdered sugar. I think I'm going to take this off because I don't really like it. I don't know. I'm probably just going to leave it and then put, yeah, other stuff on it. And then I have this Mickey Mouse bun, and I love this so much. But it has defects. Wait, no. Just kidding. But yeah, and also large. And then, like, they're kind of coming off. That kind of happens with, and it smells like butter. It smells so good. And then there's this, like, whole thing, and then this, and it's like this. And it's Disney licensed. You can't, yeah, right there. But yeah, there's that, and also on the sides, but I'm not going to get too deep into that. And then I have this, hate taking them out of packaging. Oh, this rare marshmallow, and it's the exact same size as like a normal marshmallow, and it's yellow, and it's really squishy. It doesn't come up that fast, that slow, but it is really squishy. And I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a cell phone strap, but there's like a little hole right there. I think when there's less air in it, like, it makes it squishier. That might be why, I don't know. And then my jumbo panda bug, and I have the so silly face, because that one to me looks the squishiest. So, oh, and this is an updated squishy collection. Oh my gosh, it's so sad, and it's really nicely textured. To me, this looks like a marshmallow. I think it should be called a jumbo panda marshmallow bun. It's like a pillow. I'm gonna use this for when I'm calling someone. Watch. Alright, you could totally do this. Hello? Yeah. Okay, that would be so cool. Not even kidding. Really awesome idea. Just kidding. Okay. Alright, bye, and make sure to watch my other videos. And I'm gonna have a squishy package from Kawaii for Girls on probably Monday, maybe. But yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.